Hello, today's video is focused on bedding products, and this category includes sheets, pillow covers, blankets, mattresses, quilts, bedspreads, comforters, shams, dust ruffles, and duvets. In this video, I'll be talking about sheets and pillow as well as blankets. Now, sheets and pillows, the material used for these kind of product is preferably is 100% cotton. However, we can also use the blend of polyester and cotton. Now, the difference in using this kind of material is that if we use 100% cotton, it is very comfortable, but however there is a wrinkle problem, so these sheets may require ironing using 100% cotton. However, if we use the blend of polyester and cotton, the life of the product will be better and there will be no need for ironing and it will look nice. And now if we talk about the cotton raw material, the two most popular name which are used in sheets and pillows are muslin and percale. However, there are different kind of fabrics are also used, but these two kind of cloth, muslin and percale, they were widely used earlier. Now both are of plain weave, and these both muslin and percale, they have higher thread density, and higher thread density mean threads per square inch. That would only be possible if finer yarn count is used. And the difference between muslin and percale is that the yarn used for muslin is carded, and the thread density mean the thread per square inch in the fabric would be around from 110 to 140, while percale, the combed fine quality yarn is used, and the thread density is more in this percale fabric, which ranges from 170 to 200. So percale is better than muslin. Other category which is used for sheet and pillowcases is satin and high quality Pima or Egyptian cotton. This Pima or Egyptian is very fine long staple fiber quality in cotton, and the yarn made from this cotton is used with satin weave. Again, we are also keeping higher thread density, and it looks very shiny, silky and smooth, and the cost of satin sheets and pillowcases is much more. Filament with satin weave also used, which are considered as luxurious sleeping surface, and aesthetically looks better. Another kind of shade used is flannel shade, which is a sort of napped surface, mean the surface is brushed to provide greater softness and provide warmth. It is preferably used in winter season. Now, the important quality parameter for sheet and pillows are color fastness to washing, rubbing, and it must be having good dimension stability. So these are the quality criteria. Now if we talk about blankets, the five kind of blanket constructions are used: the woven blanket, tufted blankets, knitted blankets, needle punch non-woven blankets, and flocked blanket. Now, woven blanket, we all know about it. Using the weaving method, we are manufacturing woven blankets. However, other technology to reduce the cost are also in practice. For example, if we talk about tufted blanket, this we are making through tufted process, and which also include napping, mean brushing on both face and back. But with time, these pile structure which happen due to tufted process that become matted, and it's very unsightly appearance which happen with that time, so it is not recommended for extended use. uh, Again, see, these are also low cost blankets. Another category in blanket is knitted blankets. See here, rather than going for weft knitting, the rational knit structure is preferred, which is also popularly called thermal blankets. Now, why thermal blankets? See, the structure is like that. It provide good insulation because it can retain the air inside it, and apart from a lightweight, because of this rational knit structure, it provide very good insulation. That's why these are called thermal blanket as well. And these are characterized by three-dimensional surface because loopy structure is here, and just like a waffle, the fabric surface has small high and low areas, just like it's known just like waffle, and these fabric are also called waffle knits. And next is needle punch non-woven blanket. These are low cost but effective insulation blankets. Again, these are constructed using napping process, and these are widely used because the cost is very less. So these are used in low cost hotels, motel, hospitals. And the last category in blanket is the flock blanket, and these kind of blankets are produced by flocking nylon fibers into thin slab polyurethane foam sheeting. See, we are flocking nylon fibers into the polyurethane foam sheeting, so it the feel of the blanket because of this polyurethane foam sheeting is soft, but heavier due to the flocking on nylon inside it. It also provide excellent insulation because the air retention capacity is much more in this kind of blankets. And uh, since nylon and polyurethane are not much affected by the water, so excellent launderability is another characteristic which is there in the flocked blanket. That's it for today. Thank you.